At UCOR, we are supporting DOE Oak Ridge Environmental Management's cleanup mission at East Tennessee Technology Park. At Oak Ridge National Laboratory and at Y-12 National Security Complex, our cleanup efforts are supporting current and future missions.
What we're seeing today is the completion of demolition of K-131, 631, which are the last of the two process support buildings in the Poplar Creek area here at ETTP.
Poplar Creek was an area on the ETTP site that was made up of about 12 major facilities, and this is the very last one that we're having to do the demolition on and wrap up the CD4 project for the department.
I'd like to thank our workforce. Our workforce is a tremendous, well-qualified, well-trained workforce supported by our union, a great partnership between UCOR and our union brothers and sisters in order to come out here and do this work. They've been doing it for a long time and they're well-trained. So I'd like to thank them for all of the work they've done. We did it. We got the building completed. We're one step closer to achieving Vision 2020.
We're here to see the demolition of the K-1423 toll facility. This was a culmination of about a year worth of deactivation, and that included the universal and the hazardous waste abatement. And then once you get to that point, this particular building had some process gas in it, and so we had a lot of time of getting criticality safety documents in place and nuclear facility safety documents in place to be able to get all those components out. And then once we did the deactivation and removal of all the process gas, then we moved forward towards demo.
Over at the K-1414 garage that was demolished earlier this year, workers are busy removing the remaining building slab. The garage was the longest running facility at ETTP, operating for almost 70 years from 1949 until early 2018. Crews at ETTP and ORNL worked with other local DOE contractors to remove the last sodium shields from ETTP to an on-site storage location at ORNL. As things are being torn down, a new and exciting facility is being built. At the K-25 History Center, huge panes of glass were installed in September. Because the 30 panes weighed up to 360 pounds each, workers used a special piece of equipment to install them. Special training in the form of an emergency management annual exercise was conducted with DOE. This year's exercise involved a severe weather event, personal injury, and property damage near the Environmental Management Waste Management Facility.
Over at ORNL, several UCOR groups worked as a team to complete grouting of a 47-foot below-grade transfer tunnel. Now, decontamination and demolition can proceed on other 3026 structures much more safely. Also at ORNL, two 14,000-gallon tanks are being built at the Aquatics Ecology Laboratory. The tanks will be part of the system that simulates Poplar Creek to study how to effectively treat the mercury contamination in the creek. Over at Building 3608, crews are busy demolishing deactivated equipment like this clarifier and hopper to make way for new equipment.
The RAD Waste Summit and National Cleanup Workshop were held in September. These conferences gave us the opportunity to showcase both our progress and our partnership with DOE Oak Ridge Environmental Management. In an effort to keep our workforce safe, UCOR is looking into some new technologies.
70 degrees, swing right, load onto the pallet.
One of the great things about this, it makes sure that our people could be properly trained even before they get into a crane.
Participants in our NextGEN professional development program met in September to network, learn skills, and gain some career guidance.
Workers completed all of this and much more in September. Stay up to date by following us on Facebook and YouTube.